mind.
Neigrihms Bihu Celebration Committee ajar apusau kala Rakhe ke Tamasa Bihu hak sengi ublei han Neigrihms. Kajing Rakhe ke Tamasa Bihu kadai ke jing sedang jong senam thamai ke jaj benriau Asamis ke badap basleiru da ke surtiang ke peram. Organizing President Dr. Bhaskar Borgohain ulaong baka Neigrihms kadai ke perthai ke berit ke bepenpau ia ke jing pair bebelai jong keri India. Kadon Kambun ka jing mi khmat na Assam. Kaptu kat ningut kiriu pau khmat Kibala Shakot Sngo bahagi kentup ya ukalal Borthakur Kasumi Sarma bat u Silent Gogoi. Kibala penpa ya laki sap ke pong jongki hakani ke sngi. La pelong ru ya kajing tung dieng bat kajing penkut ya gi saudong saukun haringkat kajing don lang ru jong u Deputy Director ke Neigrihms kum shibenta na kajing Rakhe.
A festival for a particular caste or community, and it goes beyond any the boundaries of religion. It is basically celebration of youthfulness and celebration of hope. So for the last 15 years we are celebrating Bihu in this campus. This year we have had several functions, including cultural function as well as tree plantation drive and cleaning drive. Besides, this year we have felicitated students from the Neigrihms family who became successful in 10th and 12th standard final board exam.
Working President Jongaseng National People